The best way to make more money with your sales funnels or your e-commerce store is very simple. It's just to get people to buy more stuff when they're on your store or in your funnel or your checkout page. And with that, I'm very happy to announce this brand new feature for CartFlows Pro users that is an industry first, and we call it Checkout Offers. Let me show you exactly how Checkout Offers works and how it's going to make you more money. Here I am on a checkout page. I already have my information filled in, and what we're selling here is this very affordable light up pet dog collar. You can see it right here. I don't know if you've come across this on the internet. It's really cool. We're selling this for $8.99. As a matter of fact, I'm going to buy this right here on AliExpress, and it's about $1 each shipped. So we're buying it for $1. We're selling it for $8.99. Now the buyer comes here, fills out their information, and then clicks on place order as normal. And what CartFlows is going to do is verify all that information and then make an additional offer right here. Everything that you see in this additional offer is fully customizable. What are we offering? We're trying to get the buyer to buy more of the same stuff that we're buying from the same seller. So they were going to pay $8.99 for one collar, but we're going to give them a collar bundle that gives them a variety of colors, and we're going to give it to them for a very steep discount. Normally we sell it for 30 bucks. We're going to give it to them right now if they take action for only $15. You might be thinking that's a really good deal. Well, we're only sending them an additional 4, and you saw I could purchase those 4 right here for an additional $4. So this increases the profit by an extra $11 if the buyer just clicks on one button. Now let's go over some of the conversion elements that we have here. First, we have this navigation that lets them know we've got their order. This is their special offer, and then next is going to come the receipt. So we're letting them know this transaction is not completely done yet. Then underneath it is some text, and you're going to be able to customize this, but we're adding website personalization. You notice right here, we are taking the first name that they filled out, and then we're going to be using it right here to personalize this offer to the buyer. And then we have another area here for custom text. You can choose the name of the product and write a description about the product, and then you have full customization control over the yes button and the button that will be to decline the offer. Now this is what happens as soon as the buyer chooses yes or no, the order gets processed. Let me show you. I'm going to click right here. Yes, I want the bundle. Since we already have all their information and we already have their credit card information, it's going to go ahead and process the transaction. Oops, it just kicked us into an upsell. That wasn't actually supposed to be part of this. I left that in by accident, but because of this brand new feature, we were able to make an additional $11, and we are selling more stuff to the same buyer when they're already in that purchase mood and they've already made a purchase decision. You can offer anything with checkout offers, and it is going to further our goal at CartFlows to help you make more offers. We already have industry-leading order bump technology that allows you to place an order bump in multiple locations. We already have upsells and downsells, and now we're adding checkout offers. So let's go over just some of the behind the scenes of how this works. So this is going to be an offer that you make before you actually accept payment for what they're initially on the checkout purchasing. Now, what we do though is we validate all that information. So we make sure they've filled all the form filled out properly, and we have their billing, credit card, and everything, or they will not be shown that checkout offer. Next, one of the big benefits of this feature is it's going to support most payment gateways, even gateways that do not support one-click upsells. Now, the world is a very big place, and there are countries all around the world that don't use the big payment gateways. They're not really commonplace used there. And there's also payment gateways that people want to use that do not support one-click upsells. So checkout offers is ideal in that situation. It's very clever. Just the other day, I was talking to a potential customer over live chat, and he says, do you support Square? Square is a very popular payment gateway these days. However, Square does not allow you to do one-click upsells. Well, now with checkout offers, you can still make additional offers using just about any payment gateway, including all those affordable subscription payment gateways. Next, what happens is as soon as the buyer clicks yes or clicks no, the order processes, and they don't have to do anything else. They just have to click yes, and then the product is added to the checkout and it's automatically processed, or they click no and the order is automatically processed. That's all there is to getting checkout offers to work. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back end of what a checkout offer looks like. I'll click on Edit Step right here, My Checkout. And when we scroll down, we have this new option here that says Checkout Offer. By default, it's going to be disabled. You'll just check this box to enable it. You're going to use this just like order bumps pretty much. You select your product, and right here you select the different strings of text that you want to add. And this is the one right here with the personalization. So you would leave this right here where it says first name, and you can make it say whatever you want after that. And then we have our subtitle text, our product title, our description to get them to want to buy and take up this limited offer. And then right here we have the text for the button where they accept it and decline it. And then we have the discounting options. You can choose the original price, discount it by a percentage, or take a dollar amount off, and you just enter that in. And then you saw right here, you can choose the color for the background area there. And that's really all there is to implementing checkout offers in your funnels today. We can't wait to see what you do with this new feature and hear all the success stories of how it's going to make you more money by following a simple formula of making more offers.